So the next session is about Jile as a business partner program, and we have a we have an expert speaker with us, Sanjay Basu. So Sanjay heads the marketing, growth, and marketplace departments for Jile. He brings with him a rich experience, industry experience from B2B, B2C space as a digital leader. He has around 2 decades of experience in several leadership roles. So, so the topic will cover Giles Partner Program for companies, consultants, and trainers interested in joining the Gile Partner Network and Gile Marketplace to access global footprint and serve Giles customers. So, welcome, Sanjay. Let us start with the session. Over to you.
Thanks, Snehal. Um, trust all of you are able to hear me clearly. A very good morning to all of you. So, Jile as a product and as a business, we launched our partner program sometime last year, or maybe last year, early last year, actually, we launched. And we said that in for Jile to grow and expand as a business, we really need our partners. We cannot do it ourselves alone. Uh, and that's when we started really talking to people, talking to companies, talking to consultants, and started creating a program and reaching out to people and said that why not we join hands and build something which will actually bring value to the customer and also to ourselves as a business, to you, and also Jile as a business. So that's why we started our program. So today we have uh, multiple partners who are working with us. There's a it's a very small list which I just wanted to share with you to give you the flavor of the wide partner network that we are creating. One partner, for example, is our technology partners like GitHubs of the world, the GitLabs of the world, etc. So wherein we go into a technology integration and we provide the technology out of box, pre-integrated, faster to market, etc., to our customers. Second is consulting services providers and trainers. So while we work with our customers, we are a product and we behave like a product company, which means that we really don't get into the space of services, though the argument can be TCS is large and this is a product from TCS and blah blah blah, but still Jile is considered as a separate business unit, and we have a separate P&L, and we run our P&L separately, which means that we have to do everything ourselves. We cannot go back to a parent organization and ask for help, ask for services, etc. Rather, what we do is when we have a customer, we position our platform or a product at the customers. And at the same time, if there is a downstream revenue, downstream services, etc., we tend to share with our partners. We have a small professional services team headed by Utpal, but we have really a limited capacity in terms of servicing our customers. So we look forward to our partners to do that. And MAMSIS, for example, consulting is one of them who are helping us. Cover is a technology partner who actually provides our customers with 100 plus integrations. I guess Utpal was covering few of the topics. We'll continue to bring back to you in future sessions how some of those important integrations. I guess one question was there for Jira. Yes, we are integrated in Jira and several other tools for that matter. And Cover is such an integration partner. Metrocom is a regional partner. So globally, while we have customers from 38 plus countries, we need a lot of regional partners also, like within India and also maybe in several regions of the world. So Metrocom is an example of a regional partner in Indonesia, where again there's a language barrier, there are taxes issues, etc., etc. So there are several reasons why we look out for partners. It can be a technology partner. So let me go to the next slide, give you a glimpse of what are the partner programs that we run. consulting partners, technology partners, referral partners, and channel partners. So those are the broad four categories of partners that we look around the world. Uh, Consulting are system integrators, software services, and consulting companies. Technology partners are, as you saw, GitLab, GitHub, Cover. So if you have a product, for example, I'll take maybe a simple example. If any of you from product company and you have got a chat software, for example, maybe an AI bot software, right? And we say, okay, the AI bot is something that we can integrate to Jile through the marketplace program, and we take that AI bot, integrate it into Jile to all our customers globally. So that gives the technology partnership focus. Referral partners are partners who are independent consultants, freelance consultants who are working for themselves. They have very small companies, maybe two, three, four, five, and we say that okay, we'll help. We need your help also. And But we say that don't get into complex transactions. Maybe a referral partnership would be the right model for you. Channel partners are maybe cloud providers, software resellers, distributors, all of those categories of businesses who can actually become channel partners for us. Uh, so as I was saying, that consulting services providers are fueling your sales engine by reselling Child. So one part is you take Child to market, you sell Child, so you earn from Child reselling of Child as a reseller partnership fees, commissions, whatever you call it, right? Rewards. And on top of it, we always find that every customer looks for at least three kind of services. One is they look for initial onboarding services that handhold them to onboard Child at their companies. Second is consulting services. Really, it is not about only a tool, it is also about processes, it is also about people, it's also about trainings, right? So that's important that we have consulting trainers also as part of the services, and integration work. Though we say that we have Cover, we have 100 plus integrations, but there's always a bit of integration work that is always still remains in an organization because of the legacy work, legacy tools, legacy products that every organization carries, right? So that helps our partners. What we are seeing with our existing partners is that they are going back to their existing customers, reselling Child, positioning their additional services. So it becomes a complete package for them. We have partners who are actually packaging their whole services offer to the market and saying that, hello, I'll bring a product, I'll bring all of the services together, which is bundled as a turnkey product for the customer. So there are several innovative ways that people are working in order to get into newer companies, also foot in the door, etc. Technology partners are partners. I'll go back to the marketplace. So the technology partnership primarily is driven through our marketplace. Currently, it's in alpha version. In the next 2 quarters, we will actually make it live, not live, but we'll move out of alpha beta and really roll out as a production. Uh, so today we have plugins, we have integrations, we have pre-integrated solutions from our vendors, from our partner companies, from our partner developers. So if you are a developer, if you are a company, if you have a product, and if you have got technology expertise, even if you do not have, for example, a product of yourself, but you have the integrations capabilities, we welcome all of you to become part of this marketplace. Bring your technology brilliance ecosystem and create something more valuable for our Agile customers. So two ways it helps, right? One is that definitely your product gets the visibility on the marketplace to our global customers base. TCS operates across the markets, across customers, large to small. And of course, a second is that you will be able to quickly monetize your product suite, solutions, integration services, value creation, etc. And we actively look out for a lot of solutions and use cases. So we have, for example, a list of use cases which we have on our as a backlog. And we look out for our partners and our partner companies who can actually bring some of those use cases to life using maybe their existing products or maybe their existing services, and host it on marketplace and start monetizing from that solution. So that's the marketplace. Fundamentally, you can go to marketplace.jile.io and can have a look at what the marketplace offers. Referral partners, as I was saying, Sometime what happens is there are independent consultants, there are independent trainers, and they really don't have uh, may not be getting into a large deal with TCAs, with Jile, etc., etc. So we have formulated a very simple referral model for our consultants. And reach out to us. We'll be happy to share more about it. But it's very simple. You refer, client buys, you are rewarded. Very very simple and straightforward. Very simple model to get. Channel partners are particularly you become a software reseller. So if you are already offering, for example, some cloud services, as part of the cloud services, you might actually be able to bundle Gile as part of the cloud services and create a new offering for your existing customers and purely do a reselling offer or a distribution offer. So we also look at regional distributors. Regional distributors, when I say in certain countries, in maybe in India, but particularly we are looking at mostly in the LATAM and the APAC region, wherein we are looking at resellers and distributors. Certain countries has got a lot of tax regimes, and a company operating out of the region will definitely help us in taking care of some of those redistribution situations. And that's the channel partner. So that's what I had. Very quick. Didn't want to really hold you back. If you have more questions, we'll be happy to answer all of them. And contact at the agile.io. Reach out to the ANI team. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Yeah. Snehal, are there any questions?
Yeah, but one question is coming up. What's the Agile onboarding lead time range for a small startup, less than 100 employees?
Utpal?
Yeah, sure, Sanjay. So here I'm understanding the question as if you want to make use of Agile for your organization for managing your work, whether it is a program, product, anything that you do, and you are just a starter, right? Less than 100 employees. So what we usually see as a lead time is it requires maximum about 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, you will be up and running, including setting up Agile, including training your employees, all the team members. So 2 weeks is you can consider as a lead time for of the size of around 100 employees.
Okay, thank you, Utpal. AD is asking, how can we get started? AD, if you're asking about how do you explore Gile, how do you get started with Gile? So in a while, I'll be walking you through the demo page as well as the try now page to let you know how can you start exploring Gile. So yeah, in a while, I'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Priyank, no. So there is no cost or fee associated to become a partner. We are in very initial days. We don't charge our partners. Uh, we it's a program which is free to join. It's only the partner really identifying themselves as which category of partnership they want to join. It's a channel partner. And we do only that evaluation, nothing else.
Thank you, Sanjay, for the valuable session.